Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to use Notion Calendar as a college student. So, if you are tired of forgetting deadlines, cramming before exams, or juggling too many tasks, this tool can really help. So, Notion Calendar lets you see your classes, assignments, and study time all in one place. So, I'm going to show you on how you can, effectively use the Notion. So first thing they should do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, just have to search for Notion.so. Okay, and then you just have to sign up for an account. Okay, so you have your account right here, and then you just have to sign up. So Notion Calendar, formerly called the Cron, is a smart calendar that connects directly to your Notion workspace. And what makes it powerful is that your Notion tasks and deadlines can appear on your calendar. Okay, so of course, instead of switching between apps, everything stays connected, your notes, assignments, and schedules. So first is we have to download the Notion Calendar app on desktop or mobile. Then once it's installed, just have to log in using the same email you use for Notion. And then make sure to allow all permissions so the calendar can sync properly with your workspace. Okay, so for example, right here, you have this Notion calendar option. So you just have to tap on it and then another tab will open. So you can also use this one. Okay, and then after that, you just have to connect your Google Calendar. So just open your Notion calendar and then go to your settings. Okay, and then after that, you just have to connect your Google Calendar account. So here you can tap on this option right here. So tap on this add calendar account. That's right. And then connect Google Calendar. Okay. And then make sure to read these notes right here because Google Calendar, Notion can access your Google Calendar and your contacts. So, okay, so you just have to log in using your Google account and then tap on continue. Okay, so after that, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see here now your Google Calendar. Okay, so you have that one right here. So next, we just have to open Notion again and then we are going to create a new page. Okay, so to create a new page, you just have to go here if you want to create a new team space. So you can also click on this one, or you also have this option if you want to create a private one. Okay, so I'm just going to add a new page right here, and then after that, just have to name it as subject. So for example, subjects. That's right, and then just have to click on enter, and then you just have to add columns like subject name, professor, and your schedule. So for example, I'm going to use this database right here. Okay, so I'm just going to select the projects. Okay, and then tap on continue. That's right. So here you can customize this one according to your needs or to your subject name. You can add your professor's name right here or your schedule. So here we can also create an assignment database. So we can create another table database and name it as assignment. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to add here a new one. Okay, so I'm just going to close this section and then let us use this option right here. So since this one you already have the project, so what I'm going to do here is just to create a new table database and name it as assignment. Okay, so we can add through this column the task name, the subject relations, the subjects database, due date, status, like to do, in progress, and done. So just something like this. So for example, I'm just going to customize this one and change the name to assignment. Okay, that's right. So you just have to close this one, and then here we can add a new project. You can also add here the status, and then if we would like to add another view here so that we'll be able to track our schedule, so we can select the calendar option That's right. And then right here, we can add here a specific new schedule or task. Okay, so we can name this one as, assignment one, or the name of the subject, for example, math. Okay, and then you just have to close the section after that. So we have that right here on Wednesday. So of course you have to put all of the details right here. The status, the assigning, if it is the priority label, and then you can also add here like comments, description, so that you'll be able to understand what is going on in this project. Okay, so you can also sync Notion with the Notion calendar. So we have to go back to Notion calendar. Okay, so this one right here. So you just have to choose which database you would like to sync. So once enabled, your assignment will automatically appear on your calendar with their due dates. Okay, so let's go back here. For example, this one. So we have this date and this schedule. So we have here all of the information. And of course, you can also use color code and set reminders. So you can now color code events by subject, so it's easy to tell them apart. So you can click any tasks or events and set reminders like 1 day or 1 hour before. Okay, so for example, this one right here, we have this one, quick one task. So if there's an upcoming event, then you just have to go here, and then you can also add a new one. So you can customize the event title right here. So we have here the time and then the date. So you can also change the color again. So we have that right here. So for example, red, it means that it is very important or high priority. Okay, so if you want to use the the template here on Notion, you can also do that. So for example, we are going to create a new page. So we have here different templates that we can use as well. Okay, so for example, for school, so we have student planner. So you just have to choose this option right here. That's right. And then we have this options. For example, we want to use this one. Okay, so some templates right here is not free, so you have to buy them. And then yeah, the best part is that you can click any calendar events and instantly open the linked Notion page with notes, files, and checklists. Everything is connected, so if you use this system daily, you'll feel more organized, less stress, and more in control of your college life. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.